Hi, welcome back. This video is my organisation of my Charlie's nail art glitters. I'm an ambassador for Charlie's, so the code you need for the discount when you order is ANN10 in capitals at the top. So if you head over to Charlie's Nail Art, you can get yourself some of these gorgeous glitters. I'm just starting off by putting them into collection groups. So I've got my iridescents, metallic, neons and hollow. So these are the holographic ones. I haven't got all of them yet, but those are a few of them. These are the iridescent. They're stunning. As you can see, they're very sort of pastel-y, so if you put them over a different colour, the colour will shift slightly. These are the metallic, and they're just like absolutely gorgeous. I love using those on top of a base colour that's similar, just really stand out. And these are the neons. The neons are amazing. If you head over to Charlie's page this week, there'll be lots of neon being used because it's 80s, 90s theme for the CNA collab, #CNA collab. We do that every week, and every week it's a different theme. This week's is 80s and 90s, which I'm hosting, so check that out over on Instagram. So I'm just showing you all the different colours. These are the metallics that I'm doing first. The website is really easy to use as well, so you can scroll through, see what colour you want, pick your colour, throw them in your basket, and then a little bit later on in the video I'll show you how to put the code in so that you can get your discount. I'm trying to keep these in colour order so that, like, if I buy more, I can shift it around a little bit. So as you can see, I put mine in one of these little folders because it's easy to access them and you can see them. So that's where I use those. They're really handy and they're not very expensive either. I think they were like £2 something on Amazon. On Amazon Prime you get it next day delivery, free shipping, so it's even better. So these are the iridescents now that I'm going through. Just again, trying to keep them in some sort of colour order so that it's organised. It took me absolutely forever to work out all these because I had all the swatch sticks and I hadn't swatched some of them because I didn't have any swatch sticks. So when I did swatch them, you'll see some of the swatch sticks are the coffin shaped swatch sticks. I do like them actually. I like them a little bit more than the stiletto ones. I think in the future I will be going more towards them, but as there's so many, it really isn't feasible for me to change them. So these ones are the neons and the hollow. Because I haven't got all the hollow, they're on the same. So just going to put those in next. I think I missed a page out by accident as well. So that was a bit silly of me, but never mind. These neon ones are beautiful over white. They just stand out so well. It's just amazing. I did record this over a couple of days because it was taking me forever. Obviously it's sped up for the video, but yeah, it took me a long time to do. Sorting them all out and everything, putting them into the right order, getting the swatch sticks into some sort of order. So now it's done, I'm going to keep on top of it. Every time I get something new, it goes and gets swatched straight away. I'm not going through all this again. It was a nightmare. as you can see on the screen there's quite a few hollows in the collection that I don't have yet, so I will have to shifty around for that when I get the rest. Next we're going on to the different mixes, I think, and the more chunky glitters. So we'll start a new book for that. Chameleon hexes, I do like them, they're really nice. In sort of Halloween nails I use those. So this is the part where you can put the code in, so you just pick an item. I just go on random one, it's nail transfer foils, Marble Galaxy. Just pick a random one, put it in the basket, go to the basket, scroll down, it says add coupon, so you click on that and then you just type in and 10, click apply and it takes your discount off. It's really simple. You just go to checkout and then you fill in all your details and you're good to go. Hexagon mixes, those are gorgeous. They're all named after different fruits. So you've got orange sorbet, lemon meringue, sour apple, blueberry ice cream, cherry bakewell, raspberry ripple and berry smoothie. They are cool. That first one then at the top of the page is called Springtime, and there's like petals and clovers and butterflies in that mix. That's nice. Then you've got all your different neons, so you've got hexagons, frappuccino, blossom in love, which is flowers, neon squares, neon stars, neon mini and hollow stars, and the neon Mickey Mouses. This one's the vibrant sequin mix. Then you've got bleeding love, and then the rest are shapes. And these are sweet sequins, little sweet silver hollow. And then you've got Deadman's Mylar, which has got black skull and crossbones in, and black and iridescent orange Mylar. This section's all like the different glitter mixes, and Charlie has some on her website that are only available at Charlie's, so look out for those because they're usually very unique. They're usually really nice as well. A lot of these now are spring ones and they're really nice. There's sort of like a fine iridescent as the background colour, and then there's like different shapes in each one. That one's pixie dust and that's absolutely stunning, the white one, but it's got like little iridescence in it as well. Hexes, dots, all different things in there. That's a really nice mix. So these are coming towards the more sort of autumnal colours now. Coppers, golds, different things. I think one of them's got really gorgeous like rose gold maple leaves in, and they're really nice. I love that mix. So that's the last one, is it? That's the last book. Missed a page at the beginning there. So yeah, so that's everything. Thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I shall be seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching everyone. Have a nice day. Bye.